it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and this is going to be an unboxing of the new release. It's the first time it's been released since the 60s, the AMT 125 scale Cal Drag Team Combo. And you know, they had several kits back in the 60s. You had the Nova wagon with the Chevy 2 in the trailer, which they should be coming out with. You had the Galaxie trailer and the Mustang, the Fang Tang Mustang. Hopefully they'll come out with that. And then they had a 63 or 64 Impala with the trailer, and it had the altered wheelbase, I think it was Chevelle. Maybe they'll come back out with that again too. And they have already come out with the Piranha and the Spy Car with the trailer and stuff. That team, I got it. And then they've already come out with the truck, the 53 Ford pickup with the Cobra, 289 Cobra and the trailer. I got it too. But this one, I bought 2 of these and got one coming. So I'll have 3 altogether when they come in. But this one here is excellent. And this comes up here, you know, and you got the includes 3 custom or complete kits, retro deluxe. Let's see, Cal Drag Team Combo features 2 funny car window color options, expanded color decal sheet, original packaging. And this is the original box art from the 60s. They repackaged it. You can see you got the trailer, you got the funny car, interior and all the parts stuff for it, chassis and interior on this side. Then you come to this side, you got the Galaxie, you got, I think that's a 65 Ford Falcon, altered wheelbase, funny car, and the trailer. This is the side of the box, and then this is the underneath right here, and that's how it's packaged. You can see all the parts in there and everything. And the Galaxie is a Craftsman or curbside, but the original Craftsman kit, so there's no engine detail in this, but that makes up for it. So let me move this out of the way and start you out with the parts. Alright, first of all, I guess we'll start out with the Galaxie. Alright, here's the Galaxie body. Get you all different angles to it. Sorry guys, my lighting in here is not the best. But you can see. And that's the Galaxie body. Here's the interior tub. Vintage promo Craftsman style. That's your interior tub. Here's your chassis. You can even see it still has the writing on the bottom, just like a promo would have back in the day. And you put the screws in. Very cool if you like retro kits. And that's the parts to the, well, no, here, I gotta finish up the parts. Here is the engine block cutout, or what do you call it, plate. You got your steering wheel, your dash. Let's see. And then here's your, I'm not going to take the glass out of the plastic for the simple fact that I don't want to scratch everything up. And there's your tail lights. So that's the Galaxie kit. Let me move this stuff out of the way and get you the Falcon. Well, no, that ain't either. Here, I'm mistaken. Here's the hubcaps to the Galaxie kit. There's the chrome grille, chrome bumpers, tail light, and there's the parts that go on the front fenders. I think that's where those go. So that's that one. Then here is the altered wheelbase Falcon. You gotta excuse me, guys. I'm not the best at doing this, but I like this. This kit just come out, and I was very excited. Just wanted to get it to you, let you see it. Looks very good. Here's the interior tub. Let y'all see every angle and every part. Here's the chassis. Tube chassis. I guess that would have probably been like aluminum tubs back in the day for the altered wheelbase. I'm going to move that to the side. And then we have your, what is that, a 427? Y'all guys tell me in the comments. I want to think it'd be a 427. There is a, I can't tell what that is. Is that your front suspension pieces, I think. Shocks, oil pan, your radiator, your heads. There's your, what is that, fuel injection intake right there for your velocity stacks to go on. Let's see. These tires are molded plastic. You can see right here the old slicks. There's your rear end pieces, shocks, drive shaft. And then right here we got your roll bar. Looks like wheelie bars, wheel inserts. I'm not for sure what that is. Maybe part of the exhaust. Parachute. Your drag seat. I don't know if y'all can see that very good or not. Your drag seat. And then steering wheel. And then we got your hood, your dash, custom dash with gauges, pretty nice. Then here's your front tires, as you can see right there. Glue those together. Looks like a cross member and some, I'm not for sure, I guess that's part of your leaf springs or something in the back. Alright, let's see. Let's do the chrome tree on this. There's the 65 Ford Falcon grill. There's your front custom wheels. You got your chrome reverse rims for the back. Got your suspension parts. Them valve covers are beautiful. I always love them big 427 valve covers. You got your velocity stacks, your gas tank, your front suspension. I mean, you got a little bit of everything. It's your tail light bezels. And like I said, I want to apologize for this lighting. It's just not the best in the world. Not today. And then it comes with 2 sets of glass. You got the blue tinted glass, and you got the clear if you don't want the blue tinted glass. And then here's your tires for both kits. Well, no, actually this is for the trailer and for the car, because your Falcon tires are the molded plastic. There's all your axles for the Falcon and the Galaxie. And then there's your screws there. Let me move this stuff out of the way and get to your trailer. Alright. This is the part of your wheel backs for the trailer. This is your wheels for the trailer. Look at that. Those are look like well, what kind of rims would them been back in the day? Slots. Yeah, looks like slots. That's pretty cool for a trailer. Here's your trailer, the diamond plate on the trailer that goes on the bed of the trailer, I guess. Very nice. Very nice detail in that. And here's your trailer frame. Looks like it was a sturdy trailer too. Very nice. Here are the trailer fender wells, and I guess that would have been like your back, you call them axles or whatever. So here's chain, there's some chain right there. That's pretty neat stuff right here, guys. It's like your little crank right there. There's all kinds of stuff that goes with this. And then here's your, that would have to be your ramps. And that's your hitch right there. And then I guess the hitch connected to the car, truck, whatever you want to connect it to. Very nice. I'll tell you what, guys, I've been very excited. I've been looking forward to this one for a long time. That's one of those kits that's always been unattainable. You get on eBay, and those kits are just ridiculous in price. I never could afford one. Then here's the Ford Galaxie, 64 Ford Galaxie. You can see the instructions are just very minimum because, like I said, it was a Craftsman kit. It even says it right there, Craftsman Plus series, which was after their promo kits. And then there's very simple interior instructions. There's the putting the tail lights and the glass and interior tub in. Then doing your wheels, your engine plate, your wheels and axles, and then just putting all your little chrome parts on. Very simple, guys, very simple. Now the Falcon. Here's your Ford Falcon funny car. It's altered wheelbase funny car. There's your engine. Shows your velocity stacks, your heads. I mean, it just shows your whole engine detail. Then you open it up to here to step 2. It's your interior, which is your dash, steering wheel, shifter, seat. Looks like only one seat. And your roll bar. And then you go to number 3. And that's putting your radiator in, your glass. Step 4 is your wheels and tires and suspension parts. Looks very simple. Step 5 is your final assembly. That's your parachute and all the other little extra stuff there, you know, your grill and hood and everything. That's fairly simple. And then, guys, here's the trailer. Trailer looks really simple. You put your tow and hitch on there, your tongue, I guess, your 2 axles, wheels and tires. Shows your ramp, your tail lights, hand crank. You got your towing chains. Man, that's very nice. Very nice. I want to thank Round 2 very much for bringing this back out. And here's your decals. Very nice decals. You got, sir, it looks like 3 or 4 different race teams you can choose from, whatever there. So, all right, guys, I was very excited. Just wanted to get that out to you. If you like it, you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And then Martin, I will do an unboxing of your Airfix kit you want to see. I want to thank you very much. Here's the one that's still sealed. This one's still sealed. Y'all, you better go out and get you one because they're very limited numbers. Bye.